Hi guys, welcome to a new tutorial. Today I'll show you how to create a new YouTube channel, and also if you have problems with the verification phone number because your mobile phone number is linked to an account. If you have too many, I'll show you also a way how to create unlimited YouTube accounts, but this tutorial I'll focus mainly on creating a new YouTube channel. So for this we'll have to head on YouTube, and maybe you are currently signing into your account, into your existing account, but no worries. And I know this is in Romanian, but I will tell you what it says. First we'll have to press on switch accounts, which I'm gonna press right now. And here you can see your account. In my situation is only one. We'll have to press on add a new account. Once we'll be here, now we are asked just to create a new email address, and that will help you. We can sign in into an existing Google account, but you'll have a button create a new account. And for this we'll have to press on personal use, I mean for myself. And now of course you have to type your name and so on, but I will not be doing that on the computer because, as I told you, to create unlimited YouTube accounts you will have to get on your smartphone to do that, because this trick is only working on a smartphone. But if you didn't create any accounts, or if you created just one, this may be working or not for you creating that on the computer. But just in case, I will show you how to do that on the smartphone to create a new YouTube account. So let's start. This is working on Android and iPhone also. Alright guys, I am on my Android phone right now. I will just open YouTube app. You may have that already installed when you purchase your phone. Now on the top right corner you may see or not an image. That's your account, and from here you will see an arrow. Press on that, and also here you can see all your Google accounts, but you will see a plus in the top right corner. I will have to press on that. And from now on, I just started the process to create a new account, put my fingerprint in. I'm telling you that you need to do that, to do this process on your smartphone, just if you want to create unlimited Google accounts. But if you just have one account, this may work on the computer, and you can do this on your computer without a problem. That being said, let's focus on this, because I want to create that YouTube channel very quick. Here you have to press create an account. For myself, yeah, why not? Put your information here. Let me think of something. John will be my first name, and the second will be Andrew. So my name will be John Andrew on this account. So let's press on next. Is also the optional, the second name. Put a birthday date. Let's go into the September of 15 year 2001. Why not? And select a gender. Totally, I'm a male. I will select male. Press next, and now your username, how you want that to be. So I'm John, also Andrew. Let me put a dot between them. John dot Andrew. I bet this is already taken. Yeah, it is. 7898. That should work, yes, and it's working. Let me place a password. I will not show you what password I'm using. Okay, just put myself the password, and now next. And now the account should be created. Google is asking you if you want to add a phone number or not to this account. You can skip this step for now. Press on skip. This will be my Gmail address, john.andrew7898@gmail.com. Continue, press on next, and now choose one you like to. I will choose the first one, next. Yeah, scroll all the way down and confirm. You can read this, also the privacy and terms if you want. You can read them. I will agree with them. At any time, Google, when you feel like. Okay, thank you. Google services. The account, I bet it's already created. Yes, it is. Because now, as is in the top right corner, I have my Gmail account. Okay guys, I just signed into my account on the computer, into the account that I created earlier. Now you have to create a new channel. Press on your icon and press on create a channel. Now you are asked how your channel wanna be like. I mean, your name, John Andrew, the bower, I will name this channel, and also this will be your handle. Let me think of John Andrew. I like it. Please tell me it's not taken. It's not taken. Perfect. And let's press on create channel. Also, YouTube made some changes now. If I remember right, when I created another account like days ago, they asked me to verify with my ID. Yeah, that's pretty new. Let's see if it's the case anymore. Anyway, this is the account right now. You want to personalize that a bit, man. You can leave it like that. You'll have to press on customize channel. Let's do this because we'll have to create a profile picture, a trailer and so on. Welcome to YouTube Studio. Great. I recommend you to create a trailer for your channel. You can do that by just uploading a video. Then from here you'll have to select the video which you want to create. But let's focus on other basic things before that, like branding. Here you can create your profile picture and upload it. Also the background, which is this one which I don't have, and the watermark. I never used one. You can use one if you want, but yeah, it's up to you if you want a watermark or not. And the basic info will be the description of your channel, the URL, which you can modify later on, the email address. You can if you type your email address here, people will see that, and that's for the sponsor to contact you, or however it's your email address that will be displayed on your channel. Let me show you a nice if you don't have Photoshop or you don't learn Photoshop already, I'll recommend you to learn. But if you don't know how to use Photoshop, I'll show you this very cool website. It's free to use. You can create backgrounds and profile pictures for almost anything. Let's press on background. What is that? I will have some layouts like YouTube channel art, YouTube channel icon. I will select that, and you can choose an existing background and you can personalize it. Furthermore, let's choose this one. Why not? The layout is of a YouTube profile icon. No, it's not. Let's choose that again. YouTube channel icon. That's perfect. Let's go back. Oh damn it, I wish I used Photoshop, but for this tutorial I will show you how to use this one. So let's just delete the text, please. Or can I at least yeah, I can personalize it. So I will type just John the Boar. However, so this will be my my name. Let's put it in the middle. John the Boar. Make it smaller, why not? And for the font, this one looks pretty awesome if you ask me. John the Boar, but I will use just robot or something simple if as a font if you ask me. These are the fonts, the colors. You can also delete that if you want. You can play with it around. It's up to you how you want to personalize it. But I will make it like why not 2 colors? Let's go and make it the other one gray as it was. I like it. Okay, that looks awesome. No, a little bit to the left. You can choose also the gradient by holding it and play with it. You can choose your style. This will be about the image. Let's go on the background because I don't like this color stuff, man. There, I will choose just something simple. Let's go black, and I think will be just black for this because yeah, it's up to you how you want to make your profile picture. I will show you the website. Is very easily to use, but how you want to create it, it's up to you. Once you create the image, you'll have to press here and you can start rendering your image, and at any time, yeah, it will be here. Let's go back here on YouTube and upload the picture that I just created. I put that on desktop and I can find it, and at any moment should be in. Meanwhile, oh, okay, yeah, let's make it smaller a bit. Something like that, and center it as much as I can. That is working. Press on done. Now let's create a background. Let's go on the first page of Panzoid. Place on background. Let's choose something like this one. Why not? I like it. And now we'll have to choose the layout, which will be for a YouTube channel art. It was already selected. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Great. Now I want to go to the layers and delete this Twitter icon. I can keep the text, why not? Let's type something like IT, computers, gadgets. Because this will be a channel about gadgets and IT, why not? The font, I want to be something like very readable and very easy to read. Kinda like this one, but I think like I can find something better. It's working. It's working much better than the previous one. And I think you'll have to put this in the center. We'll see. I want to delete this one. And let's make it more like a sign or something. This will be cyan, I think. my girlfriend can help me with colors. Something like that. Why not? And let's press on download and see if we can if we have to make some changes on the text location. Let's go to YouTube and let's choose the banner image and select the background. Yeah, we have to make the text a little bit smaller to fit in this and return to editing. Now, as I know, let's go a little bit more smaller, something like that. And let's download it again. And now everything is in shape. It's a little bit to the right. You'll have to place it in the center, but it's up to you what you want, how to make it. This is why I told you Photoshop, it's a winner in this situation because it's much easier to use Photoshop than any other programs. Photoshop is just harder at the beginning. Once you learn Photoshop, trust me, you'll not go back to the other software that you have. At least that was in my case. I never wanted to learn Photoshop. Once I was forced to at my work, I can tell you that was a blessing, man. I want to go to press on manage videos. Let's press on continue. Yes, close it. Settings, that should be it. Channel, select your country. Let's put your country. However, let's go Lithuania. Why not? I'm in Lithuania. You can add some keywords based on your channel. So it will be IT, computers, PC, laptop, gadgets. However, you got the point. This will be the basic keywords for your channel. Advanced settings, I recommend you to read all this. But if you want to have some comments under your videos, you have to press no. Set this channel as not made for kids. I never upload content that's made for kids, but this is up to you which settings you want to go with. I'll recommend to read you all. You can personalize the stuff here, but I want to show you something more important than all this, which is future eligibility. And as you can see, we can upload videos, create playlists, add however, but you are limited to create videos just like 15 minutes long. And if you want to create videos more than 15 minutes in length, or also if you want to upload more videos because you are limited to a number here, you will have to press on this one. And as you can see, we'll have to press on verify phone number. So it doesn't matter in which direction we are going to. We'll have to buy another SIM for this one because we'll have to get this channel verified in order to create custom thumbnails and to post videos that are over 15 minutes long to do live streaming. However, then advanced feature, let's have a look on what is that. If you want to upload more videos daily, create more shorts daily, basically to unlock some more features here, you will have to verify also this step, and you can verify those with some requirements, and you can get through this step using you have two requirements. Intermediate features enabled, you have to enable that, and also you have to select one of these. You can get your channel verified with a valid ID, with some photos, with channel history, or video verification. It's up to you which one you want to choose. Let's see some other settings. Upload defaults. If you will pre-select something here, every time you will upload a new video, you will have something else put here. Every time you will upload a video, they will have this title, this description, these tags, permissions. No, we are not interested in this one, at least yet, and the community or anything else. So basically that's the basic we done. Why not? Let's press on save. So guys, I really hope I helped you with this tutorial. If I help you, don't forget to smash the like button. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Please tell me if something worked or not for you down in the comment section. I will be very glad to get back to you and help you. So don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe for more guides and content. And also I want to wish you one more thing. Please have the greatest day you can possibly have.